What are any tips to kind of help prevent like something from happening, like water backup, like my sump pump failing? I mean, you got usually recommended tips that you kind of give out to place people to just preventative
Yeah,
type stuff.
when it comes to sump pumps, there's a couple different things. You can obviously make sure your sump pump is checked every spring, every fall. Like I said, there's a spindle on that sump pump that can get corroded. Take a little bit of like a sandpaper and just get that spindle cleaned up so the bulb will flow freely when the water does rise in the crog. You can always get a battery backup for your sump pump, so when you do lose electricity, that battery backup uh, will kick in and make sure that keeps running even when you don't have any power. And then also you can get I'm not too familiar because I'm not a plumber, but there's a water generated sump pump backup that you can install also that will help keep that sump pump running. That's for sump pump. Anytime you have wash machine lines, dishwasher lines, refrigerator lines, it's always good to maybe just check those annually and make sure that the uh, the uh, the hookups are not getting corroded or anything of that sort. Um, a lot of the prevention that I offer is actually exterior. Again, right now, we're at this time of season, it's a good time to get on your ladder and make sure that your gutters are cleaned out and your
True that.
downspouts are pushing away from the home.
Yeah.
Birds and whirly birds in the spring and leaves in the fall, they're going to collect in the gutters, so that can cause water to build up. You're going to get some ice damming, and that's where we have a big problem in the wintertime. Um, Making sure you unhook your hoses from your faucets outside, especially because if there's water left in that hose, that water is going to freeze, and that water
Yep.
expands, and it's going to expand right into your faucet, and the pipe's going to crack. It's going to happen every time.
True that.
And you can do that, but you can also purchase a cap. It's a little styrofoam cap. You can get it up at Kingsland Ace Hardware or Gemmons Ace Hardware or in Hudsonville or one of the big box stores. It's a styrofoam cap. It has a little plastic hook on it. You pull it tight. It sits flush to the house, and it's insulated.
Oh, nice.
And those things cost you $5.
Oh, that's not bad.
So if you have two faucets on your house, it's going to cost you $10 to $12, and you're going to save yourself from having a cracked faucet pipe.
Probably only takes a few minutes. Probably install it. Probably it's pretty easy.
I can do it. I think anybody can do it. So